everyone, and welcome to Campus Related. My name is Humida Alfida, and I will be your host for today's program. Starting university is a major turning point in life. Many students experience changes in their daily habits, study routines, and the way they adapt to a new environment. Today, we will take a closer look at how university life has changed students from English education study program at the State University of Surabaya. From unhealthy sleeping schedules to the challenge of adapting to intensive tasks and Surabaya's hot weather. Student life is definitely not as easy as it seems. Our field reporter Ajung Vina is already on location with two students to share their experiences directly. Ajung, over to you.
Thank you, Mida. Hi everyone, I am Ajung Vina reporting from Campus Related. Today we are going to talk about how much our lives have changed since we started university. Here I am with my two students of English education. Let's hear their stories. Excuse me, may I have a question for you both?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay. First of all, may I know your name?
Okay, my name is Anya.
Anya.
And I am Atika.
Okay, Anya and Atika. Yeah. So my first questions will be to Anya. Let's start with the most obvious change. It is sleep. I remember we used to have a normal life back when we were still in high school. And would you mind to tell me what used to be your sleeping routine before you became student here?
So before I became a university student, my sleeping routine was very healthy. I used to sleep around at 9 or 10 p.m. almost every day because my school schedule was more organized. Yeah, so and then I used to wake up early in the morning with have enough energy for doing the activity in school or maybe the other activity like extracurricular. Yeah, after school I used to relax, watch video in Instagram or maybe TikTok. And sometimes I spend time with my family in the living room before I go to bed. Yeah, I used to complete my assignment earlier, so I don't need to complete my assignment until in the middle of the night. So I stay awake until in the middle of the night like I do now. But after entering university, yeah, especially in our study program, yeah, English education study program, everything is changed. Yeah, I often sleep very late, around 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. Yeah, because we have so many assignments and because I joined in some organization in university, so I completely my assignment in the middle of the night after I finishing the meeting with my friends in the organization. So yeah, sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I don't have enough energy for morning class. Yeah, I often feel sleepy, but I never sleep at the class. So I still pay attention what my lecturer said about the material in the class.
Okay, so I think Anya have a lot of time when she is still in high school,
Yeah.
but now no longer.
Yeah.
Okay, now we have second questions for Atika. Okay, now we will talk about the classes because I've heard that English students have a lot of excitement.
Yeah.
Now, was it hard for you to get used to the intensive reading or writing at UNESA specifically?
Okay, thank you, Ms. Vivian, for the question. It is finally my time to share my struggle as a second semester student, right? So, to be honest, it was quite hard for me to get used to the assignments. You know, like I wasn't used to this level of intensive reading and writing at all. Because back in high school, we used to got assignment, and it's more easier, right? And when at UNESA, the expectation were more higher, And in the beginning, it took me days just to finish one reading assignment and draft an essay. It really struck me. I struggled a lot. It really drained my energy. I struggled a lot with academic vocabulary, which is I am not really familiar of the academic vocabulary. And I remember staring at academic journal and thinking, what am I even reading right now? Because I totally don't get it, And but over time, which is right now, I am trying to get used to this college assignments, and I think I need to work really hard so I get used to the assignments at college life. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, so I think my suggest for Atika is, yeah, you are struggling, but at least you're trying right now.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we into the last questions, but I need you both to answer my questions.
Okay.
So my questions is, because we really need to talk about Surabaya right now. So you know that Surabaya is a very very hot city, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree.
Yes. And you have been here for 2 semesters.
Yeah.
Are you finally used to the heat, or is it still struggle with that? Who wanna answer first?
Maybe I?
Okay,
Am I?
Aya.
I guess I want to answer first. Actually, I'm still not completely used to the weather in Surabaya because it's extremely hot here. Yeah, especially during the afternoon, right?
Yeah.
At first, I was not used to walking under the hot sun every day, and my body feels tired quickly. Yeah, after classes, and sometimes the weather making me feel uncomfortable even I'm in the classroom. Yeah, my body also needed time to adapt the weather in Surabaya because I was not sweaty this much before living in Surabaya. So that's why in Surabaya I always use electric fan. Yeah, electric fan in the boarding house. Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah.
Okay, now we need to know these answers.
Okay, so probably my answer is just the same as Tanya because we are from same hometown.
Yeah.
Which is Kediri. Kediri is cooler than Surabaya, you know. I think I just trying to get used to this weather, the weather of Surabaya, you know, because the Surabaya is much hotter than Kediri. So I just want to tell you about fun fact that I used to. Yeah. You know, back when I was in my hometown, I rarely use an umbrella. You know, when it's not rainy day, I am not use an umbrella. But right now at Surabaya, I think umbrella is everyday use. Like I need umbrella to cover my body from the sunlight, so I am not burnt because of the weather. Yeah, so that's all I think.
Yeah, maybe even though sometimes we still I just say we struggle. Yeah, we still have a struggle with the weather in Surabaya. Now we can handle it better than the previous semester. We can handle it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys for your opinion about this. Okay, that's all from our campus coverage today. Reporting for Campus Reloaded, back to you, Mida, on the studio.
Thank you, Arjun, for the insightful report. It's interesting to see how university life slowly changes students' habits and lifestyles. Even though the adjustment can be difficult at first, many students eventually adapt and learn how to grow through the experience. And that concludes our today's segment of Campus Related. Thank you for watching and see you next time.